Okay, it's December 22nd. Okay, you guys, here's the deal. I got this 12 valve Cummins 1992 Cummins diesel engine. I just did a complete rebuild on it. Now, I'm kind of a dummy here. What happened, it wouldn't start before. What happened, I had this hot lead hooked up to this solenoid here. And this is the fuel solenoid right there. I never had power hooked up to that. And I feel like such a dummy. I spent a whole day trying to start this thing. Okay, so this goes right there. You can hear it click. And anyway, this is a 1992 12 valve Cummins diesel, and this is the first start since its rebuild, and I'm gonna show you what it sounds like right now. Alright, here it goes. That's a brand new engine. That is a brand new engine. And it started for the first time today. I'm so happy about that.